Hey guys, if you love AI tools, so definitely you have to watch this video. In this video, I will show you how creators use face swap feature to viral their content on social media. On Instagram, this type of accounts are earning in lakhs by posting avatar videos. YouTube creators posting their content into multiple languages with the help of video translation, like Mr. Beast posting their videos to connect with different countries.
Hello everyone, this is not the real me. This video is generated by Akool.
And now I will show you how you can create this type of AI avatar videos. Just go to your browser and search akool.com. After login, you will see the face swap feature, realistic avatar, video translation, many more features, but I will show you realistic avatar. Click on it and here you can design your personalized avatar. Just click on get started. So now you can see this type of interface. First option is templates. You can select any template for advertisement and tutorial. So now click on media option. Here you can upload any image, audio, video to change your video background or something. Just click on avatar and now you can see some pre-made avatar videos and photos. You can use any of them, but if you want to use your own avatar videos, just click on new avatar and now you have to upload an image and video. Just click on upload new avatar. It will take only few moments to load. And here you can see your avatar video or photo is here. Just click on it. Now your avatar is ready to speak. Just click on text script. You can type anything here. You can also use audio script and song generation with the help of script or file. Now I will select voice. If you want to use your own voice, you can upload a file here. But if you want to use pre-made voice like 11 Labs, so you can click on pre-made voices. And here you will see some voice. These all voices are similar like 11 Labs. Just I have to select a voice. Okay, everything is done. Now you have to click on generate audio. It will take few moments to load and it will success. Okay, now click on my library option. In the library, you will find your video into realistic avatar section and it will generate your AI avatar video like this.
This is not the real me. This video is generated by Akool.
Great. Now I will show you face swap feature. Just add your image into it, and if you want to use multiple images to face swapping, just click on change content. Here it is. Then you can replace this image. In this section you will find some demo faces. You can use any of them, but if you want to use your own image, you can add by clicking on plus icon. I am going to download an image. Just click on plus icon to import an image. It will analyze your image and it's done. Just select your image. Okay, done. You can play with settings also. You can re-age your photo and face enhancement on. Now click on high quality face swap. It will take 5 seconds. Click on my library and you will find the result like this. Results are so good, it's pretty similar. And now I will show you AI powered video and voice translation. If you want to translate your video into another language, just upload your video here and select your original language. No matter your video is in English, French, German or Spanish, just select your original language. So I am selecting English and now you can select the target language according to you. If you want to convert your video into Chinese, French, Arabic, Bulgarian, I'm just showing you example, so I will select anyone. So I am selecting the Chinese. Okay, and if you scroll down, you will see lip sync feature. So default feature is natural. You can select anything without lip sync, natural or face enhancement. In my case, I will select face enhancement with lip sync. And third option is remove BGM. So you can remove background music. Remove the background music of original video while ensuring the clarity of vocals. If you want to remove background music, so you can select, but I don't have any background music in this video, so I don't select this one. You can use proofread video script. To ensure accurate video translation, proofread the original and translated script of the video before submitting the translate task. I will select this one and now you will scroll down and just you have to hit generate premium result. So it will take some time to proceed your video successfully. So it will generate video like this.
I love working on myself. Like it is actually like a passion of mine.
喜欢努力提升自己。这实际上
This is so amazing. And now I will show you image generator of Akool. Just enter your desired prompt to generate AI images. So I will give a prompt like this: a man walking in the rain, New York City, neon background and foggy atmosphere. Okay, done. Now you can select the ratio and here is the option of extreme speed mode. I will select this one. You can select the ratio according to your social media where you want to post. I will select 1:1 ratio for Instagram post. So you can see it will take some time to generate. Okay, result is here and you can see the result are super amazing. According to our prompt, we have got a perfect output: man in the rain, New York City. So guys, you have to must check out akool.com if you want to elevate your social media game. Hope you like this video. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.